Yeah, some people you can use try and lead them. People in us life go here. If somebody tell us something, nobody run with it. Cause none of we are not God. And none of we is not worthy enough to judge. Say somebody tell us something, you say alright. But there's two sides to a story. You hear one side. The one side so convincing. You hear why the one side is so convincing. Because the person, anybody can. Puppy, my wife. Current go look at guys on the internet report. So the data I use. I don't have data on the phone. You know how long I put on credit on the phone. Chatbot saying win this last night. Hey, Chatbot saying win this last night.
I was going to do that. I was going to do that.
Come here. Let's have to leave the cat alone. Chatbot saying win this last night, guys. In dance and win this. Current goal requires the internet report. So, coming January, no more Tuesday night. Alright? I don't know if, cause I want to know how life set already, and you know, me all about you guys.
Yeah.
I want to know, so I always go all out phone.
Yeah.
Alright? Okay, Mr. I'm not doing that. Hello? Hello? Alright, I know. The live okay now. Alright, Miss Nadine. I'm going to cancel the Tuesday night show. You may not know if after the wedding, you know, I can run it back. But coming January, I'm going to cancel it for a while. I'm not sure how long, but you know, too much expense. Yeah, but I feel like say after the wedding, when we don't start out wedding expense and you know, me have everything on track and you know, we can see my way. Cause Father God help me, you know, don't get me wrong now, Father God help me. Maybe then time you know, we can reconsider for you know, run back the Tuesday night show. But yeah, what the Tuesday night show is not gonna be like that again. It's gonna be like acting night. Cause everybody has talent, you know. Yeah, I'm not slow by my talent. I'm a professional, you know, actor. You know, when it comes to making people laugh, we can do that. Yeah. So just understand the thing, alright? Alright, the people that were just rolling want to know one thing what go on. The dog did last night, that's how we never have no gospel Thursday, alright? Yeah, girl and girl. Girl there now, girl pass off. Why may I tell you? Feel it last night. I want me to bury her. Feel it, but one dog make me feel it to my heart and I raise down and know that. Yeah. Come here. Hey, come here. Why am I running at you? Come here. So she fluffy, you have to be there every 2 days, you know. My dog died. My dog. Yeah. Not he, she. Alright, so the people in what they fire now. Come on now what same way now. We are sort of people and tell them this and tell them that. Now watch them. Don't listen to nobody here. See for yourself. That's all I can tell them now. I'm not going to tell them to say alright, now believe them this, that. All I can say, see for yourself. There's two sides to a story, okay? Because whole heap of union farm against me, you know. But what, they can't prosper. Can't prosper. Never, ever. Not because I come from St. Thomas, where you say Father God, and He will lead me and direct me. Alright? So, any weapon or any union formed against me shall not prosper. Alright? Yeah, so anybody will hear this and hear that and this and that, cause, you know, me I always get fight, you know. I always get fight. The amount of fight me get people say I'm strong, I'm firm, cause if some of them they just give up and left it out and say, alright, focus on this. Me even get half of it on all MP, and I turn it down, cause I don't divide my people, and me all about this. Me not a politician business. Yeah, I'm turn it down because I take half of it and say, alright, yeah, I'm gonna run this, run that, but no. Father God has turned me a millionaire. I'm going to build nursing home to put up people and there's something. Take madman off the road and there's something there. That's my dream, that's my passion. Yeah, so I don't know MP business. I tell them, alright, so no, sir. Think about it, please, think about it. Alone, they look one pint, you know. They look one pint where they say, here I go on. You're all about helping people. You know, say you could help people on a wider scale. Because I'm looking into it, you know. So, I'll come back to your health. But now, sir, I have a politics business. I don't divide my people. When I love in the country, you know, people pan here love them party. So, I'm not going to divide my people. I'm going to just focus on it. But guys, on a big man level still, we need to turn up by the thing. The thing needs to turn up back. Definitely if you turn up, but you wait, father guy, if you get some money, I said, let me get some money. Turn up back TNATION. I said, remember, so we young still, you know, 3 years, you know, we don't reach no yet, you know. Yeah, 3 years, I understand TNATION. Me, want to say yourself, understand TNATION. You know, I greatest thing when I look pan, when I know look pan, analyze it and say, you know, so I never shut down this platform. And the fact that you have some elder people in their sickness. I go through their sickness and they reach out to me and tell me say a TNATION and their lifeline. You think a local elders reach out to me and tell me say a TNATION and their lifeline? You think a local people reach out to me and tell me say TNATION is a therapy for them? People tell me say they have them watching problem and once TNATION turn on they don't remember nothing about problem. I will turn it back with thing. I will turn it back with thing. I just, you know. I will turn it back with thing. Because full platform this. Even the union them, if I never fit this platform, they could have know, they would know they one another to link up to farm union. They would know one another in the first place. TNATION have body for connection. TNATION bring people together. Yeah, but one thing I gotta tell them this, when I bring nobody together for carry on the platform or to try camera down here, Father got a strike on it. Can't work. Can't work. Can't work. There are some people where they can't have their own way. They farm against you. Can't work here. Can't work. Can't work. You have to remember where you wanna come from. Remember, so I don't do nobody nothing, you know. Nobody me not do nothing. Okay, well, I don't do nobody nothing. Me just a loving youth. Real youth. Nobody can take that from me. Now I want to wake up. See there? Yeah. So then if you understand, say, you know, if I never for TNATION, they would link up with a person. If you link them, but then if you just make use of opportunity now and, you know, live good with them one another and, you know, talk about other things or talk about ideas to bring TNATION forward. I try to bring them TNATION. Remember, say I just want to look at you to try, you know, I look at you to try to put some people together. And it work. It work. I'm sure all heap of you guys over here meet people through TNATION. Whole heap. Right? Yeah. I'm not worry myself still. I just go and cope, you know. Go and do my thing. Take my time, do my thing. You know, time I come, TNATION I got turn up. Nobody feel say, you know, TNATION I got turn up. Because I come in January, different, something go right back. I don't ask something, tell them that. Oh guys, and the next thing to Easter Monday, after the wedding, Easter Monday, we're gonna have a big bashment at the beach. So all who are in the room, gonna have to link me up now. Remember, $60 US for your room, cheap for one night. Or Alright, so we are gonna come up from the wedding. After the wedding on Saturday, we are come up Sunday morning, come prepare for Monday. Alright, so I like it when I did it Sunday, Monday morning, everybody can, you know. Who want to stay back until Tuesday, fine. Who want to spend the rest of the week, fine, you know. Yeah, but want to get in touch with me. Alright. Remember again too. Oh, no, we can't have a partner. Can't remember for the partner. Everything good. We prayer warriors them. We prayer warriors. Remember to pray for me here. I say I need the prayer. Yeah, because pressure bust pipe. Yeah, with Father God, I have to just process my pressure. I can't make it bust my pipe. If it bust my pipe, whole heap of people gonna feel it. It's like everybody around me. I gotta just go back to square one. I have the people that want me help out when I make sure they have their food. Then I go back square one. Star square one. And boy, I tell you, no, sir. Pray for me. On the entertainment, pray for me. That's all I can say. Pray for me, yeah? Pray for me. Pray for me.
Yeah, look nice.
And my biggest passion about this thing, my greatest joy about this thing is to know some of my elders them we have their sickness, some of my people we have them problem. Know say alright, TNATION is their home. And that's the greatest joy for me, you know. You want to hear the amount of people who call me 70, 80, 60, 50, 40, 70, 80. Who have arthritis, disarthritis, that arthritis. Boy, me I tell you, they have some whole heap of sickness. All who can walk, you know. Boy, me I tell you now, and the amount of story me here how them find TNATION. Most of them is like the same. Yeah, them a scroll through and they see the dancing. And some of them from Antidana. Most of them from Antidana. That's about 40%, because you know the scale a flipper now. One time in a 80 and you know the scale a flipper now by consistency. Other people reach out and so the scale balance now. So. And my peeps, here we are going now. I'm gonna tell you this. Now listen to me very carefully. You see, if you can cook, if he is a caretaker or any other talent thereof, I want to video it and post it on YouTube. Everybody have a YouTube, you know. Once you sign up on a Gmail, you have a YouTube. You know. I want to use up on the talent, you know. Cause me know what you guys. You know a lot of you guys over here can cook, can bake. Put the content out there. Someone want to shy, say, oh, this, that. When you have to put on a face night, on a voice. Remember, saying a live when I go, like how I snap at that too, you know. When I make video and send it out, you know, make it go and run up. Yeah, not care the age. Once you can manage with it, when you just go ahead and do it. Put it on YouTube, continue build. Don't give up. Consistency, persistent. You know, don't give up. When you can cook, when you make one recipe and say, alright, this is how to make, or you know, your voice over and say you're gonna, or in a video, you can talk and say, this and that, my name is this and that. Today I'll be showing you how to make this recipe. You know, you go through it today, make sure you think your quality clear. Make sure your kitchen nice and clean. I know when the kitchen nice and clean, I have to tell them that. And just, you know, set up on a phone with a ring light and just video. Me want to cook, you know, talk to them and, you know, show them and, you know. If you not bake, you do the same thing. If you not sew, you do the same thing too. On a daily life now, for example, when I have a client want to take care of, like when I have an elder want to take care of. Even if you know a video or well, eventually, even if you know a video or when you can, you know, talk about how was the day and what you do with the patient and how your day was with the patient and, you know. And somehow you have life story. Somehow you have life story where you go through whole heap of something. Even if you know I put on a voice, you know I put on a face out there, when you can just even talk about it, make a record and talk about it and, you know, send it out. People will watch it. We have enough people in our world to watch anything. Alright? Yes, I'm elders. I'm not sit down on the talent here. Yeah, man, anything one you can do. If you know general gentlemen, if you know do construction work, you know, put up on a camera and, you know, make content and just send it out there. Because people have to watch it, you know. It not cost on a dime, you know. When you just send on the content out there and people watch it and, you know, you just follow the step of YouTube and we just go through. Everybody nice. Yeah. But anyway, tomorrow, Saturday night. Yeah, show tomorrow, regular show tomorrow. Yeah, Sunday. Guys, here we now. We need at least what that 1, 2, 3 or 4 person for. More farm a little team with at least 4 person to help out with the cook food drive on Sunday. And not because I'm not seating on the cook food drive one every single Sunday. So them man they will go on a boat and go feed. Then get them food every single Sunday, you know. Yeah, Mishibu, I know you can't video client, but you know you can talk about it, you know, talk about your daily life and, you know, talk about hours a day. You even can mention the client, but you're not going to put a name in there and a video, you know if you do your thing. You know if you do nothing, you know wise. You guys wise. Miss Sophia, one little show I go on later about over TikTok here. Yeah, over TikTok, look at show I go on. So come over there, come if I want 1 rose. I appreciate it, boy, guys. I'm telling you. I'm with you, I get, you know, one little thing from TikTok. Not much still, but, you know, can't help me to stop a little bit. Because I tell them I have it for me, you know. I have it for me, and the grace of God make me a well on, you know. Trust me, even as I'm loving the people and send barrel with food and things like that, it's easy for me. Yeah, Miss Polly, contact me on the WhatsApp number. Here, me now I'll get the wrong information. Lan. Yeah. How long? I use it on the phone. See, come back here. I spot on the phone I use. Big up to the people when you come to my wedding. Let me just pick up the wedding. I said, you are going. Well, I want to farmer's circle. I go for everybody one time. Then I say, I want to farmer's street line. I'll go for everybody. And they are nice people, you know. And nice, genuine people. I tell you. Mishibu. What on there? Mishibu that from our TikTok? Am I Mishibu from our TikTok? So I'm going with it now. Chat about here. Happiest time of my life.
Final people, boy, I say upon the ears that nobody happy like me. Me not nothing to worry about. I do every day, me pray for teenagers and live longer and longer and things go better and better and stronger. So people do, people will. The devil ride, but God on the
Can't ride me. Then you ride with the devil go on, yes, with me. Can't ride me.
So right now, all my one.
Kangaroo, alright, you know. The man kangaroo did in a security work same. He lose the wife though. The wife when you say not married, he lose her. That's how you go kangaroo wives. So boss step on the hunt again. So if you're interested. Maybe yourself. Oh, the Mishibu you have TikTok. I want Mishibu over there. I send me a big gift over the thing. People, someone don't forget TikTok. I don't know if they just download it and, you know, I'm sure now when the kids and the grandkids can, you know, show them what is what. Yeah, I don't know if you have. One thing now, where you want to go? Anyway, peeps, may I make a move now, you know. Lana and your wife. Me not. Pass a rubber, give me.
No, man.
Pass piece of the card they give me. Pass piece. Chat about, let me a turbulence. Let me a turbulence, let me tell you I'm out here. Chat about that, I can't do that. Chat about that, I can't do give it. Here we go. Me just want it tomorrow, yeah? Susie, me know most of them understand TikTok. Remember some most of them elders, you know, everything over Facebook, so, you know. I understand. No, I would like to find Dorothy. Which Dorothy? For me, Dorothy? Alright, no problem. Contact me on the Nation phone. Nation phone. Me over TikTok, Lorraine. Who is over TikTok with me? Who is over TikTok with me? Andre over TikTok with me? Lexi Reed. Lexi Reed. Alright, sooner or later, yeah? Watch over me, I close it now. See you guys later, yeah? Hey, but I said nothing. Later, sooner tomorrow, okay? Remember me I go over TikTok later, so everybody who have TikTok can roll over later, alright? Yeah man.